Pick to the left. Try flying heading like 285 to get that to center. Once it does center, fly heading 295.
Okay. Number 5 Charlie Whiskey, turn right heading 110.
Return heading 110, 25 Charlie Whiskey.
08 Kilo, contact Metro Tower, 118.6 today.
Tower 18.6, 08 Kilo. Metro Tower, 08 Kilo is with you on the RNAV, 30 right.
Trigger 0 Kilo, Metro Tower, will this be a full stop?
This will be a full stop for 0 Kilo.
Trigger 0 Kilo, running 30 right, clear to land when calm.
Clear land, 30 right, 0 Kilo.
So a little left.
Yeah, we're actually pretty much straight on.
Straight on.
You're right on.
Oh, okay, yep.
Cessna 0 Pulse 0, running 30 left, clear for the option.
And as you use my lights coming in.
Left, 530 Papa Sierra.
A like is where we should be at 7,000 feet.
Say that again.
A like is where we should be at 7,000.
Okay. Lights look red on white.
Okay. By Vogfa, we should be at no lower than 6,220.
Okay, yeah, we're 3 whites, 1 red. So to get on for a like, we gotta be just a little lower.
You can just remember power for altitudes, pitch for airspeed.
3 whites, 1 red.
Flaps 10.
Okay.
Lower that nose.
Yep.
You can add the trim.
Okay.
I'm trimming it down for you a little bit.
Right on.
Remove more power.
Yeah, we're a little still way high.
Should be 6,300 feet by Vogfa.
There's 1 red back.
Try and look all inside.
All inside?
Yep.
Okay. 1,300. Lined up here, good.
Quarter mile from Vogfa.
Red on white.
Good.
So do you go outside the aircraft for the flare?
Yeah, once you hit 6,000 feet is when you should be heads up here.
Okay.
Watch your sync rate.
Yeah.
Okay, minimum. Now this is the point where you'd be required to see the runway, or else you'd have to go around flaps 20.
Okay, flaps.
It's going to try and yaw the nose up, or pitch the nose up when you add that flap, especially in this aircraft. Keep that nose down. I'm adding more trim for you.
Okay.
Landing light fuel pump is on.
3 reds, 1 white. All right, 2 red, 1 white. 2 red, 2 white. This is crazy at night.
Full flap.
Full flaps. Piecing that power out.
You might be a little bit higher than you think.
Higher than I think, yep. Alright, red on white. Full power?
Not quite.
Not quite.
There's the runway, you see it?
Yep. Pulling power.
Hold it back. Hold it. Hold it. Right here.
Yep. Alright. Flaps up?
Yeah.
Cherokee 0 Kilo, turn right Alpha 4, contact ground.
Let's see, where's my button? Right there. Oh. Wait, it's Archer.
0 Kilo.
Cherokee 08 Kilo, turn right at Alpha 3.
Alpha 4.
At Alpha 4, Cherokee 08 Kilo.
Cherokee 0 Kilo, Alpha 4, and ground point 7.
Ground point 7, okay. 08 Kilo, ground point 7, good day.
70 pop 0, 30 left, clear for the option.
Let me go ahead and turn on the...
Clear the option, 30 left, 520 pop 0.